Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome. Please say hello in the comments. Let me know where you're from. I'm Gina Louise, for those of you who do not know me. And I like to do a lot of thrift flips, trash to treasures, and Pinterest. How did you make that? Today's challenge is an open food challenge, and the subject is watermelon. And it was with Nadia from DIY Nadia and from Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest. I had so much fun painting a watermelon design that I went watermelon paint crazy on everything. So if you watch this video to the end, you will see all the other things I painted as watermelons. And they'll give you my secret recipe for my watermelon basil margarita. I linked both ladies' channels down below. Make sure you check them out, and also check out the watermelon playlist with all the other creators. So let's get started. I picked this wooden bowl up at the thrift store for like 50 cents. I thought it would be so much fun to paint a wooden bowl. I really wanted a bigger one, but this is the only one I could find. I used my apple barrel paints in bright magenta, Kelly green, and limeade. First, I'm going to paint the bottom of the bowl in the limeade green. Now I painted the center in the bright magenta. Now I'm just going to put this aside and let it dry before I paint the rest of it. Now I'm going to paint the edge of the bowl, which is going to be the rind of the bowl. First, I'm going to use the Kelly green to go around it, and I'm going to blend in. The Kelly green is going to go on the outer part of the bowl, and then the limeade, this lighter green here, is going to go, I'm going to blend it to the inner edge of the bowl. And then I will do a small, thin white line at the closest part of the inner edge to the magenta. And that should give the illusion of the watermelon rind. I hope that made sense. But just watch and you'll see what I meant. And I don't know if I described it that good, but if you watch me paint the edge here, you'll understand what I was trying to explain. I just kept blending the two colors and I just really loved the way it came out. Now I'm going to paint the rind of the watermelon by taking the Kelly green and making jagged little lines. I just kept tapping the straight edge of the brush to create a feather effect up and down the lines. Now I'm just going to cover the whole thing with Mod Podge to seal it and give it the gloss that I want. Now I'm going to create the seeds inside the watermelon, and I just, with my daughter's advice, she said black is too dark, to mix a little brown in the paint to lighten it up a little. So that's exactly what I did, and I created all the little seeds. Now I'm just going to seal it with Mod Podge, and you have an adorable candy dish. And here are the final results and some of the other items that I painted with a watermelon design. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.